You will learn today how to find the mean and standard deviation using your calculator. So we'll go back to our example. Okay, you have here the grades and the frequency for each grade. Let's find the mean and standard deviation using the calculator. So what you have to do first, you have to clear all the data. You press shift 9. Okay, you have above 9 CLR, it means clear. Then you press 3 for all, so 3 and equal, then AC. Okay, then you put it in statistic mode. So you press shift mode, then you press this arrow here. Okay, you look at stat. Okay, some calculator the start thing is number 4, not number 3. So you search for stat and you press it here. I have a 3, so I press 3. Then on or off frequency, so you put on, it's 1, so you press 1. Then you press mode, you search for the stat, it's number 2 here. Other calculators have number 3 for stat, so you look at it, it's number 2 here. I have it 2, so I press 2. Then you look at 1 var, it means variance, so you press 1, and you will get this table. Here you have the x values, the xi, and here frequency. Okay, here you input the variables that you have in your table. My table have these values: 6, 8, 12, 15, 16, 18. These are my xi's, so I put 6, not here. Then you press equal. So 6 equal. Okay, it moves to the second row. You press 8 equal. The third row, so my third entry here is 12. I put 12 equal. 15 equal. 16 equals, and finally 18. 18, then equal. Now I press this arrow to move to the second column, so this one here, and I move up, okay, to the first entry. So this is my first entry, it was 6. The frequency of 6 is 1, so I press 1, then equal to move down, then another 1 equal, then 3 equal, then 4, press 4 equal, 2 equal, and 2 equal. When you finish, you press AC. Then you press shift 1. You have stat here above 1, so shift 1. Okay, you will get this. You go to the variance, VAR. Here it's numbered 4. So you press number 4. Okay, you will get this. For number 1, n means the total frequency. For number 2, x bar is the mean. And for number 3, this is sigma x, or in other calculators you have sigma n. Okay, this is the standard deviation. And this one, number 4, we will not use it. Okay, so we'll use 1, 2, 3. Number 1 is for the total frequency. If you want to check your answer, I know that my total frequency here is 13, so let's press 1 to check whether I got 13. So 1, then you put equal. Yes, I got 13, so my entries, my data are correct. So then you press AC, then you go back, shift 1 for start, then 4, you press 4 variance. Okay, let's find the mean. So you press 2 equal, so this is x bar, it means the mean, equal, so the mean here is 13.69. okay, you get your answer here, 13.69. and then AC, you then press shift 1 and 4, then the standard deviation, so 3 equal, you'll get 3.45. Now once you get the standard deviation, okay, once you get the standard deviation, here it's, so sigma is 3.45. you can find the variance. How can you find the variance? You just square the standard deviation, so you put 3.54 squared, or directly here you square your answer. Okay, you put answer squared power 2, so equal 11.9. so 11.9. Why I squared it? Because we know that sigma, the standard deviation, is square root of the variance, so the variance is the standard deviation power 2. So this is how we find the mean and the standard deviation using your calculator, and once you find the standard deviation you can square it to find the variance.